Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine being able to transform your passive speakers into smart audio powerhouses, elevating your listening experience to new heights. That's exactly what the WiiM Amp promises to deliver, and I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the WiiM Amp's compact design. Don't let its small size fool you. This amplifier packs a serious punch, with 60 watts per channel at 8 ohms and a whopping 120 watts per channel at 4 ohms. Whether you've got floor standing, architectural, outdoor, or bookshelf speakers, the WiiM Amp has you covered. I've been using it with my bookshelf speakers, and the sound quality is absolutely stunning. The level of detail and clarity is impressive, and it's clear that the WiiM Amp is capable of driving a wide range of speakers with ease. Plus, seamlessly connecting your TV or turntable to enjoy unparalleled audio fidelity is a game changer. I've connected my turntable, and the sound is rich and immersive, with a level of depth that I hadn't experienced before. Another key feature of the WiiM Amp is its ability to master your audio universe with the WiiM Home app. This app allows you to stream from top music services and manage your system effortlessly, room by room. You can adjust volume, sync speakers, save favorites, set alarms, and tweak settings, all in one place. I've been using the app to stream music from Spotify, and it's been a seamless experience. The app is intuitive and easy to use, making it easy to manage my music library and adjust settings on the fly. Plus, with voice commands, you can go hands-free and control your music with ease. Whether you're using Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri, control is just a word away, even with the included voice remote. I've been using the voice remote to control my music, and it's been really convenient. I can just sit back, relax, and enjoy my music without having to get up and adjust the settings. Now, let's talk about the WiiM Amp's home theater capabilities. With its HDMI ARC port, you can plug in your TV and immerse yourself in rich stereo sound for shows, movies, and video games. I've been using the WiiM Amp with my TV, and the sound quality is amazing. The dialogue is clear, the sound effects are immersive, and the music is rich and engaging. Plus, with the option to add a powered subwoofer, you can take your audio to cinematic levels. I've added a subwoofer to my setup, and it's made a huge difference. The bass is deep and powerful, and it really adds to the overall immersion of the experience. With minimal setup required, the WiiM Amp offers a seamlessly integrated AV system that turns your living room into a home theater paradise. The WiiM Amp also makes it easy to build a unified multi-room sound system with your current AirPlay 2 speakers, Amazon Echo, Google Home, and other WiiM branded devices. I've been using the WiiM Amp with my AirPlay 2 speakers, and it's been really easy to set up and use. I can fill every room with my favorite tunes easily, and the sound quality is consistent and high quality. Plus, with the ability to stream crystal clear music up to 24-bit/192 kHz from platforms like Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal, Qobuz, or your own library, you can enjoy gapless playback and superior sound quality. I've been streaming music from Tidal, and the sound quality is stunning. The level of detail and clarity is impressive, and it's clear that the WiiM Amp is capable of delivering high-quality audio. Finally, the WiiM Amp allows you to personalize your audio with advanced room correction and independent EQ settings tailored to your space. I've been using the room correction feature, and it's made a huge difference in the sound quality. The sound is now tailored to my specific room, and it's really immersive and engaging. Plus, with the ability to adjust the EQ settings, I can customize the sound to my preferences. I've been using the EQ settings to adjust the bass and treble, and it's really made a difference. The sound is now exactly how I want it, and it's really enjoyable to listen to. In conclusion, the WiiM Amp is an incredible piece of technology that can transform your passive speakers into smart audio powerhouses. With its compact design, powerful amplifier, and seamless connectivity options, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to elevate their listening experience. Whether you're a music lover, a movie buff, or just someone who wants to enjoy high-quality audio, the WiiM Amp is definitely worth checking out. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the WiiM Amp today and experience the future of audio for yourself. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. The WiiM Amp is a game changer, and it's going to take your audio experience to the next level. So, go ahead, take the leap, and discover a whole new world of sound. Your ears will thank you.